Welcome to Redentech Genopedia.
Let us know about Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the country. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949 and was implemented on 26 January 1950. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada in a flowing italic style. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. The original Constitution had 2 copies, each written in Hindi and English, are kept in special bilimfilled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the President of the Constituent Assembly, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar became the Chairman of its drafting committee on 11 December 1946. In 1949, Constitution had 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. But now 25 parts, there are 448 articles and 12 schedules due to 104 amendments. The first amendment was done in 1951 in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are listed, 6 fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties. The Constitutional Amendment Bill can be initiated in any house of the Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. We can amend our Constitution by the provision of Article 368. Directive principles of state policy are an important part of the Indian Constitution, and they provide a framework for the government to follow while making decisions and creating policies. The preamble is the foundation of the Indian Constitution, guiding its interpretation and implementation. It is considered the keynote of the Constitution. The preamble describes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic aiming to secure justice, equality, liberty, fraternity. The Article 360 of the Constitution of India deals with the provision of financial emergency in India has not been implemented so far. The 42nd Amendment changed the description of India from a sovereign, a democratic republic, to sovereign, socialist, secular democratic republic, and also changed the words unity of nation to unity and integrity of the nation. It was enacted in 1976 during emerger Indira Gandhi emergency period. The amendment expanded the list of fundamental duties of Indian citizen. These unique features make the Indian Constitution a remarkable document, reflecting the country's diverse history, culture, and values.
Thank you for watching this video. If you likes the video, please subscribe, like, share, comments.